Now that we've had an overview of the home screen and an in-depth look at vehicle readiness, let's talk about the roll call feature. The roll call feature doesn't just show you the different systems and ECMs on the vehicle. Roll call also gives you quick, easy access to the data being pulled from each. Let's say you connect to a vehicle and you want to learn more about the status of the engine. In this case, a Cummins engine. Clicking on the Cummins engine icon in the roll call list will change the dashboard to reflect the engine data in real time. You may also note that the information in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, where you would normally find the vehicle make, model, and VIN number, has been expanded to include the component's make, model, serial number, as well as the software version flashed into the ECU. That level of data is available no matter what component you select from the roll call list. Whether you're looking at the brakes or the front HVAC unit. You'll also notice that the fault data at the top of the home screen also changes to give you the faults or issues specific to that particular component. Right now, most shops have to figure out what components are on the vehicle, then locate the OE software specific to that component, and then disconnect and reconnect the vehicle several times with multiple pieces of software. It's a lengthy process that wastes your time and money. Does that sound familiar to you? JPRO saves you time by giving you visibility to all the ECUs and the systems on the vehicle at the same time. That means you can diagnose and repair the truck faster and more accurately, increasing your uptime and getting trucks out on the road faster. You might be asking, what if I already own the OE software for a particular component? Great! Another great feature of JPRO is that our software integrates with the software you already have. Let's say you click on the engine icon on the home screen to take a closer look at the engine. When you click on the icon, the dashboard changes to Show Engine Data, and the issues at the top are filtered to only show the faults related to the engine. And in the middle, you'll see an icon representing that OEM software. If you have OE software installed for a particular component, it will appear when you select the component from roll call, when you can launch the OE software from JPRO. When you are finished with the OE software, JPRO will start your session again, picking up right where you left off. You can also find OE software applications by clicking the OEM Application Portal icon on the toolbar. When you click on the icon on the toolbar, a pop-up will appear. This shows all the OE software available to you, whether it's on this particular vehicle or not. You'll notice there are other tabs in the OEM portal. The Service Literature tab, where you'll have access to popular primary use service resource locations. You will need internet to connect to these applications. The third tab, Parts, will show you a series of links that will connect you to the OEM parts websites. Most of these websites require you to have a user account. If you follow any of the links to the respective websites and eventually exit, your JPRO session will start back right where you left off. Let's say there is a type of OE software you need to work on a specific vehicle. A new fourth tab has links where you can download free OE software. Keep an eye out during each software update to see what new software has been added. Remember, all this information is available in the JPRO User Guide. For more information or to purchase JPRO, please call our support team or visit us online.